So now we're going to start working on our mayonnaise. That also is going to be chilled. So we're going to open up a jar of roasted red peppers and we're going to drain out some of the juice here. We're not going to use the whole pepper. I'm going to use about half of it. And I'm just going to dice this into very, very fine pieces. And then we're going to put it here in our bowl. And the reason why we didn't use a whole one is because we're going to take the very bottom of a red pepper, because there won't be much, if any, that we have to clean out of it. And we're just going to mince this. So we're going to give a little bit of crunch to our mayonnaise this way. So we'll have the sweet roasted flavor from those peppers, and then more of a tangy crunch from here.